Hi guys, welcome back to my corner. So today is another unboxing in the car. You guys know I was recently invited as an ambassador for Dossier, and so part of the deal is that they'll be sending me perfumes to try each month and I would just show it to you guys. Simple as that. And luckily they're sending me 2 perfumes each month, and so there's gonna be a giveaway in this video, guys. So stay tuned at the end of this video to find out how to enter in a Dossier perfume giveaway. I got 3 perfumes, guys. Three boxes of perfumes from Dossier. They asked me what perfumes I wanted. They were supposed to send me 2 each month, but the previous month the second one got delayed. So for this month I'm going to showcase 3. If you guys haven't heard of Dossier, they are a perfume company. They create high quality perfumes minus the markups and marketing that is involved when it comes to like those luxury $200 perfumes that we can't afford. By the way, I have a guest here again. You guys know what my summer schedule is like. If you want to know more about Dossier, I go in depth about the company, the pricing, and all of that stuff are in a previous video here. So go ahead and check that video out if you want to learn more. But today we're just going to focus on the perfumes and how they smell like. When you purchase a Dossier perfume, it comes in this little nice box.
Cute box.
Yeah, it is cute. And it has the card, and you also have the box here. Very nice. Nice and secure. When you purchase Dossier, this is risk-free guarantee. You can try the perfume. If you don't like it, you can return it. You never know about scents. You might not like it, and so it's nice that you can return it. Now in the card right here tells you all about the perfume, all the notes, and what the perfume is inspired by. So in this case, the citrus tea is inspired by the Le Labo perfume, the Noir 29 Eau de Parfum. I've never heard of that perfume before, but I'll put a picture of it right here and give you the price. I'm pretty sure they're expensive because that's what Dossier does. They try to create a perfume that has the similar scent profile as designer perfumes. So in this case, it's inspired by Le Labo, and it's a citrus, and they don't call it Le Labo, they call it citrus tea. Take it out of the bottle right here. The top notes are bergamot, fig, black tea. Middle notes are bay leaf, tobacco, jasmine, vetiver. Base notes are cedarwood, musk, hay, peach, and incense. Kind of smells good.
Spray of monkeys.
I don't know about this one. It has a fresh scent to it, but oh no. Do you like it? Not the best smelling perfume. It's citrus and tea, and literally you smell like tea. No. It has a freshness to it. The tea is strong. So base notes is what's gonna last on your skin for the longest time, and it has cedarwood, musk, hay, peach, and incense. I think that's why I'm not liking it, because these types of scent profiles I don't normally gravitate towards. But it was worth a try. I mean, I wanted to try it. That's the point of me trying. I love floral scents, and this one has a citrus tea. I mean, the name should have given me the hint, right? So it's my fault. But, you know, other folks might like it. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean you guys won't like it, right? Everyone has a different signature scent that they love and gravitate towards, and everyone is different. So just because I don't like it, it doesn't mean it's bad, right? The other 2 items that I got are gonna be in a giveaway in this video. So this one is the second perfume that they sent, and this is inspired by Jo Malone. It has English pear and freesia. When I selected this, I saw floral, I saw pear, and I love those two scents. The top notes are pear, bergamot, watermelon, rhubarb. Middle notes are quince, rose, freesia, orange blossom, and the base notes are woody notes, musk, and amber. It has 18% concentration, which is pretty high. Concentration is how long a perfume is gonna stay on your body, and I gotta say that Dossier perfumes have been one of the most long-lasting perfumes that I've tried. I mean, well over the designer perfumes that I own. Even though the scents aren't 100% similar, the major scent profiles are in there. Some boxes may contain a sample, so kind of like this one, it has a little spray plus the main bottle. So the idea is, if you don't like the scent, you can return this. I mean, you can return the big bottle and just use this to try. So that's good. Because I have the sample, I'm just going to try the scent for this, but I will not touch this because this will be going in a giveaway. All right, this is Floral Pear.
Give it a little spray.
And spray it here on the other hand. Can I try it on your hand?
Yeah, try it.
Okay. Has that pear scent. Definitely the floral comes through. Jo Malone, I've never tried a perfume from them. No, actually I've tried one of their cologne. I think the starts with an F also. I've tried another one, and it's one of my, what? My daughter knows because she loves spraying all those scent box perfumes. Flora or Fragapini, something like that. It's not a surprise that I like this. I'm really liking it, and I think you guys will too. It's not as strong. I think it's more universal for everybody, so you guys might like it. The third one is my most favorite because this is inspired by Chanel. I have to say, I've never gotten the Chanel perfume from Scent Bird or Scent Box. You have to be on their premium membership. So I've never tried Chanel perfumes, and it's actually one of the things that I would like to own. This one from Dossier is inspired by Chanel Gabrielle Eau de Parfum. So let me know if you've tried that before. This one has top notes of lily, grapefruit, blackberry. Middle notes are ilang ilang, tuberose, jasmine. Base notes is musk, orange blossom, and orris. Let's try Chanel. I'm just gonna spray it on here. You wanna do it on your other hand? Oh, pink monkey. You smell a fresh scent, and then it gets sweeter towards the end. The name of this perfume from Dossier is Floral Ilang Ilang. Right here. So you guys can have a chance to win this Chanel perfume as well. So in this giveaway, guys, comment down below which perfume you would prefer to win, and I'm just gonna pick a random subscriber in the comments. Okay, so if you want to win the Chanel inspired Dossier perfume, comment it down below. If you would like the Jo Malone one, comment it down below as well. The citrus tea, I'm just gonna keep because didn't have the sample, so I already used the bottle. These are unused. I'm gonna keep the little ones, the little samples, and I will give this to you guys in a giveaway. So you get to pick one, and I will pick a winner by the end of this month. And I will have the details of the giveaway in the description below. So good luck to everyone. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out. Join the family. Check out all my other videos on Dossier and my review of the company, of the brand. I have a link in the description box below, which will give you a 10% discount of your first purchase from Dossier. So definitely check that out if you are interested. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.